last night's overnight soak with the garlic chicken, one trap yielded five keepers. I'm going to show you how I clean them. When I don't have, look at all the sparkles on him. He's nice and hard. When I don't have the ability to clean them right away, I put them in a cooler with an aerator because I don't like to share water baths with everybody else. I like to, let me see if there's right here we go. I like to clean them myself. Now at home, some people prefer to clean them fully or cook them fully, and I used to, but now I like to clean them like this, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to clean a crab. You know, don't look if you're wheezy, because this is not a pleasant thing to see. I line my knife up directly with it like that, and then I use my meat mallet. Are you ready? And then it goes in the cooler. That is how well, you can come over here. I'll put it there, and then you can take it apart like this. You can just pull the top off like that, pull the lungs out, like so. This is a hard crab too. And then squeeze it. The nerves are still there, by the way. It scares you a little bit because the nerves are still moving. And then we're going to pull out every bit of gunk out of this to keep it clean. And just in case that claw wants to come back and get me, because it's a reflex. There. Now I'll do the other side, and then they're ready to go. Stop it.